I want to make a really quick video about the HEYTRIP truck tent and my camping experience. It went really well, and I'll apologize for the cell phone video. It was still a little dusk and dark inside the tent when I made some of the video, but it gives you a good idea of what's going on. Good morning, folks. Dave here. I thought I'd follow up on my HEYTRIP truck tent video as I said I would do. I spent the night last night in the tent, and I got a pretty good night's sleep. I thought I'd show you around the inside here just a bit and give you an idea of how it works. So I'm actually sitting here on my cot, and you can see I've got, even with a cot, I got plenty of leg room here on the other side. I got a little table set up here. Got the wallet and the keys and all that over there on the back side, and I was able to put all of the sleeping bag and everything up in there. So the HEYTRIP tent, truck tent, worked very well for me. I'll get a picture of it from just outside here. Okay, so it's got these little windows. Now, if you didn't have the top on, this window would be completely open to the outside. You wouldn't have the awning from the second layer. And I had these open, had a nice cross breeze till about 3 o'clock, and started getting a little cool in here, and you just shut them up like that, and I stayed nice and toasty. Okay, here in the top of the tent, you can see it's got a little hooky down thing, so you can hang a light or something. I just set my cell phone up here. It also has a little vent, so you can open this up and get a little more air through it if you so desire. Sorry about the shaky cell phone video. I don't normally like doing cell phone videos, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? Okay, so here's what it looked like with my tent. Got the little table up there, and this cot came with the pad that I had a little sleeping bag that I put on top of it. And all I really needed last night, I only got down to about 40. All I really needed last night was that blanket. You can see what it looks like inside. Okay, I'm not as spry as I used to be, so I use this little folding step stool to get in and out. These poles do not come with it. I already had them, but you can put it up like a little fly like that. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure and subscribe, leave comments. I always read comments. I don't always respond to comments, but I always read them. And maybe this HEYTRIP tent is something you can use on your next ham radio outing. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.